Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and we're doing another quick unboxing of another sound card. So if you've been watching the channel, you know that we've already done the V8 and the X7. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing the F8. Okay, so after this video, we'll create another one, a comparison between the all three that we have. We still have all three in the house. We bought this again from Shopee. The original price was supposed to be 1,546. I was able to get some discounts with vouchers, and all in all, with the delivery, I paid 1,430 pesos only. Okay, so let's open it up so we can see. So there, 1,546. By the way, this video is being taken by the Xiaomi Redmi 9. So yan, 1,546 is red and black. Why didn't I get the red? Anyway, I already removed the box. So it comes with two cords, one with a 3.5mm connection port in the end, and the other one with a micro USB. Exactly the same with the V8. Also comes with a micro USB charger cable so that you can charge the device. Okay, and there's the device, as you can see. I like the way, what do you call it, switches. Okay, you can move it up and down. All of this, the monitor, treble, bass, record, and music also is there in the V8 and the X7. Actually, I think I have the X7 somewhere around here. Okay, here. I have it here. So that's the X7. Okay. There's a lot of special effects buttons. I haven't tried it. But this is the one that I like, the mute button, so you can mute your microphone without actually just needing to adjust the knob, right? Okay. Power button here to turn it on. As you can see, it's already on. I don't know. Okay, because I have my microphone connected. See? Okay, that's why it's moving up. It also has a Bluetooth function. You can actually pair your phone with the device so that you can stream music or any recorded sounds here inside. As you can see, it's there, the FRJ speaker. It's already connected, and it's not blinking anymore. So when it's blinking, it's ready to pair. When it's solid green, it's paired. It's blue when it's on. Okay, when you're charging, let's see, charge, it's blue, red, violet. Okay, for the connectors, okay, first is the charging port, then there's a live 1 and live 2. That's where you connect your phones if you're gonna take a video. Music, if you want to put in music accompaniment. Okay, so for example, from your phone. Okay, monitor and headset, so you can hear exactly what's happening. The capacitor, Weir 1 and capacitor Weir 2 is where you plug in your microphone. Okay, so this is where you connect the phones for the video live. Music, if you don't want to use the Bluetooth function and you have like an iPad or something, or a recorder where you want to feed music inside, and then that's it. Okay, so we're back. We already plugged it in and set it up, set everything up. We're gonna wait. Let me. The echo was on the maximum version. I'm using a headset that I bought also. That it's not one of the it's not the condenser microphone. It's just a headset with the microphone here. So that's what I'm using right now. If you can see, one of it is plugged. The microphone plug is plugged into the capacitor 1. Hello? 2. okay? And then I have a headset jack so that I can hear exactly what I'm saying. And one of the micro USB to 3.5 cords is connected to the phone right now, the Xiaomi Redmi 9, okay? So one major difference that I see here is this, there's a mute button. So when you plug it in, when you press it, look, there's a green light that's going to turn on there. So that means you're muted, okay? And then there's other buttons here. This is, all these 5 is self-explanatory monitor so that I can exactly hear what's happening. If I want to hear, to increase the treble or the bass of my voice, so that there, can you see? The record is the recording sound, the recording volume that goes into the phone right now that's taking the video. And music, if you have background music, you can control it here, okay? So there's also the microphone button, the control here, and the echo. Echo, echo, echo. Okay? So there's a lot of other buttons. I already mentioned the mic. There's actually, I think there's 2 types of laughter. The long and the short. Okay? There's still the applause. According to her, there's a pitch blend. We'll do that in the full review soon. So there's a lot of things that you can do here. Some of the things that I tried before were still in Chinese. The guns. Okay. So apparently, I think this is better. It looks better because there's Bluetooth function so you can use it to stream your Spotify here, and then it's gonna go inside recording in the video. Okay. So that's the quick unboxing for the F88888 from Shopee. It's 1,546 pesos only. There's 2 types of the F8 that I saw, no? So just be careful of what you want to buy. Just make sure that you have the same thing that you're looking at. Okay? Thanks, guys. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe.